Do not do the Rocco MAMAS hot wings challenge. Do not do it. I did it with my friends yesterday, and the minute that food hit the table, I had instant regret just by smelling it. Because the smell alone will tell you that that stuff is not meant to be consumed by any living thing. If the smell doesn't give you instant regret, the first wing will give you instant regret. I went in thinking, you know what, I grew up eating spicy food. 10 wings can never get to me. Plus, the quantity is not even that much. The main concern is the spice itself. Let me fucking tell you, I only finished 3 wings. I couldn't even burp properly. That's what started to worry me. I needed to burp, but the burp wasn't coming out because my esophagus was spasming. The panic that your body goes into, bro.
Rocco MAMAS challenge people. Yeah, the hot wing challenge. Come. All of you, come. One line. Yay! At the back, come forward. I want to talk to you. Ni zo fa ni zizi de nge nje spuku. Aniva.
1, go!
Don't love yourself. Loving yourself is gone on days. Bien también.
Look at going. Ora, deixa aí. Vamos prejar aí. Chama calma. The guy's shaking.